We're going to a birthday party for a friend of ours and his daughter, who were born both in the same day, his daughter being born just last year. So this is a pretty old friend of ours, so he's old and an old friend. So you guys ready to go to this birthday party?
Yeah!
You ready, dude?
Yeah.
You ready, Boo?
Yeah. No.
No?
Me? Me? Me, me, me?
Should we make Mama not be able to get in and make her dance?
Yeah.
Or how about we make her do a trick of some kind?
Yeah, trick.
Okay,
Trick, trick.
we're going to try this trick thing again. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's try this.
Keep pulling. This is all I have.
It's got it yet?
No.
This is how this is how an almost 6-year-old and a 3-year-old try to put a seatbelt on together. Did you guys get it yet?
No.
They're trying to put their seatbelt on.
Maybe if I took my seatbelt off, it would work.
Okay, well, let's see it. Come on, dude. Come on, Cupcake, do it. Oh, there's Mama. There's Mama. Hello, Mama. Oh, look at that. She's doing it. Hey, that's nothing. Get over here. In front of the car. No. I'm going to let her in. That was lame. Alright, are you ready?
I am ready.
Yeah.
And you guys are all ready. We already asked you to. You're all ready.
What?
So we're gonna go to this party, right?
Yes.
Yeah. We're gonna go to this party. So we're at this weird restaurant. Oh, pretty cool. We got these big copper doors. Look at this. Copper door. Take a look at this. See, it's real copper door. Oh, we're waiting for seats. Yeah. Hi. Yeah, we're not gay though. Anyway, so we're at this restaurant. Let me get it. That. All right. Yeah. Adriatic Grill, Italian cuisine and wine bar. So yeah, we're here. We're gonna get some dinner. Kids are here, so it's be interesting. A lot of old people here, but it's got like 4.5 stars on Google out of 300 reviews, so it's gotta be pretty good. Of course, it could just be the wine talking. So yeah, so we're gonna go in this place. We're gonna eat some dinner. Big copper doors. Let's take a look at the bar. Check it out. Making food. Oh, making what is that? What are they making? I don't know what they're making. What is that? Cheese. Nice cooking. Pretty cool. Nice bar.